Hello, my name is Dr. Joe Sprinkle, and I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. First, a little bit about me. I have taught Old Testament for the last 30 years, for 15 years at Toccoa Falls College, and for another 13 years at Crossroads College, which unfortunately has closed. And I've been an adjunct professor of Old Testament at a number of other institutions. Now, a year or so ago, I was given the opportunity of teaching a course online in Old Testament criticism, and it occurred to me that it would be very useful to record these lectures, or take these recorded lectures and place them on YouTube so that one, they could be available to students, and in an additional way, it was already on the platform that the course was taught on. But it could also be available to a broader audience of former students and friends and other people that happen to find my channel. And so I have begun placing those lectures online. And I will be adding other lectures as I'm able to record them and place them online. So initially, I have lectures in Old Testament criticism that I produce for this online course. I will also be placing on my YouTube channel some discussions of Hebrew grammar based on the textbook by Alan Ross, The Hebrew Grammar by Alan Ross. Now, this will consist of a little more than my going over what he says and making a few additional comments on it. But nonetheless, for people that are wanting to maybe teach themselves Hebrew or have another access to Hebrew discussions, these might be useful too. I will be recording lectures in New Testament criticism that I think people will find interesting. And I will have a series of lectures on Christian doctrine, as well as a series of lectures on hermeneutics. And after I record those things, if it seems worthwhile, I'll continue to record additional lectures. And so, welcome to my channel. Like my channel, like my videos. That'll help make them available to a wider audience. And I hope you enjoy them. I give you one word of advice. I think I sound much more intelligent when I'm played at 1.5 speed rather than regular speed. But whatever speed is useful for you, that would be the way to listen to it. So again, thank you and welcome to my YouTube channel.